Simply put some garlic in your socks before going to sleep. It sounds strange, but this ancient tradition hides a curious preparation that many people still use today. Take a fresh head of garlic. Don't peel it completely. Many people will discard this part without a second thought, but various folk traditions actually value the outer layers of the garlic during preparation. Now cut the cloves into medium-sized pieces. No need to worry about the shape. The important thing is simply to open the pieces to release their natural aroma. As you do this, observe how the scent already begins to spread. And this is just the beginning. Now take half an onion. Keep some of the skin on as well. Chop it into small pieces and add it to the garlic. Onion is another ingredient that frequently appears in traditional preparations around the world. Its strong and distinctive aroma has always attracted the attention of different cultures throughout history. When garlic and onion are combined, they create an extremely distinctive blend. This is exactly what we're aiming for. Now take a clean glass jar with a lid. Place all the garlic and onion we just prepared inside. At this point, the aroma is already quite intense, but one special ingredient is still missing: cloves. Add a handful. Despite their small size, they possess an extremely concentrated fragrance, and when they blend with the garlic and onion, they create a unique combination. Many people use cloves in traditional recipes, precisely because of this characteristic aroma. Now it's time to add the final ingredient, 70% alcohol. Pour it in slowly until all the ingredients are completely covered. Little by little, you'll see the mixture take on a different appearance. And this is where the process truly begins. The liquid absorbs the natural aromas of the ingredients and creates a highly concentrated infusion. Now, seal the container tightly and pay close attention to this step. Store the jar in a cool, dry, and dark place. Let it sit for 7 days. Yes, a full 7 days. During this time, the ingredients release their aromas and properties into the liquid. Each day that passes, the mixture becomes more intense. Many people use this type of preparation for body massages and traditional wellness practices that have existed for decades in different parts of the world. What's most interesting is seeing how such common ingredients can be part of such ancient customs. Now, I want to know one thing. Had you ever heard of this tradition involving garlic before bed? And what part of this preparation caught your attention the most? Let me know in the comments.